welcome back to day 3, everybody. I'm out here with my guest operator today. Devin is joining us. You want to tell him what we're going to do today?
We're knocking down trees and we're getting stumps out.
Yeah, we're going to knock down more trees. We're going to rip out some more stumps. And we're not going to work super late because what do we have coming tonight?
I don't know.
Remember? No. Snow?
Snow.
Yeah, we got snow coming tonight. So we're going to call it probably pretty early. Oh, yep. Mr. Rick's just pulling in here. So we've got the machines warming up now. So we're going to go jump in the excavator. Can't even talk this morning. We'll catch you guys in a minute. Say, catch you in a minute.
Catch you in a minute.
All right, everybody. What are we doing, Devin?
We are mulching down.
We're not mulching down trees. That's what Mr. Rick's doing. What are we doing?
We are getting the stumps.
Getting the stumps. Yep, close her down. So we're moving all of our stumps towards the edge of the property.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you gotta do it. Okay, grab that guy. Other way. There you go. Open her up. The other way. There you go. Open her or close her down. There you go. Open her up. There it is. Okay, we're gonna rip this stump out. Close her down. Boom. There we go. Open her up. So we've got power lines out here. We got guide wires beside us. We've got all sorts of good stuff happening around us right now. Which tree? This tree? The big tree?
Yeah.
Let me move all this little scrub brush off of it and we can do that. Okay, close her down. There it is. We'll take this and put it back here. Good.
That's a lot of dirt.
That's a lot. All right, so now what we're going to do is we are going to navigate our way through all these trees and get around to the other side.
Excavators go that fast.
Because they're not made for speed. They're made for doing lots of work with the arm.
Was it close?
Yeah, grab that.
Put it right there, Dad.
Grab that guy. We'll put it with our stumps. So we're going to hold on to this one and carry it, okay? Boy, there ain't a lot of room to move. All right, let's see here.
Which direction? You should knock down some trees.
Well, that's our job, is to knock down the trees. All right, we're going to throw this over there.
Who's that?
That's the homeowner. That's who's paying us to do this. Okay. Open her up all the way.
What was he? I did that.
There you go. All right, we're going to tuck down to get under all these trees real quick. Okay, so we got to be super careful here because we got power lines, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
So we're going to probably let me operate in here.
Can I keep doing the grabber?
Yep, in a little bit, okay? Let me get all of these because we're right under the power lines. I got to be super careful. With that being said, I'm going to shut the camera off, guys, and we'll catch you guys here in a little bit. All right, everybody, I'm back. And you'll notice I'm solo. It's because I have been relegated to the past. And now Devin is hanging out with Mr. Rick and the skid steer. Because apparently Uncle Rick is cooler than Dad. You know, whatever. Whatever. He likes his skid steers. So, we went and cleaned up around the power lines. And then I just dropped these two pretty large trees out in front of me here that you can see. Sorry I didn't video that, but you know, with Devin in my lap while I'm trying to drop massive trees while the homeowner's out here walking the property, figured it wasn't the best time to have the video running. So that's where we're at. So we're gonna sneak around the back side of these trees and clean up the back side of the hill here, and then we'll move forward and continue working the front half of the property because we got a bunch of trees I still gotta drop. But Cody isn't here cutting anything up, so whatever I drop is going to be on the ground for a while. So we've got to kind of be dainty about what we're dropping here. This is always fun when you got trees everywhere and you're trying not to slam into things. It's always a good time. Yes. By the way, he figured out the walkie-talkies. He's having a great time. Did you need something, Devin? You gotta hold that button down the whole time you're talking, kiddo.
Alright, now go ahead and talk.
Clean up the silt fence, okay, Dad?
Clean up the silt fence?
Go around the property line and pull all the bull crap back where the north side is here, where the string line is, and clean up about 6 to 8 feet of it, smooth it up so when we got to do the silt fence, it's flicked off and not a disaster.
Okay. Well, there you have it. I have new marching orders. So I'll get some of this cleaned up and then I'll run over there and do that. My goodness, Cody, he has not cut a single one of these stumps all the way through. Six to 10 inches of snow is what they're calling for tonight. We'll see what happens. But that should make for an interesting day tomorrow. I'm kind of hoping Rick doesn't want to work tomorrow. That's my hope. Because it's New Year's Day. Like, come on, Rick. Today is New Year's Day, I should say. Tomorrow will be the day after New Year's Day. But it will be Sunday. And who works on Sunday after making a...
Boys gonna come up and see us. I just ran out of depth and put it in the machine.
Bummer. Okay.
Yeah, go.
Alright, so I'm going to keep an eye out. Here comes Devin. Alright, guys, I'm going to shut off the camera since he's coming back in my lap. But you see what we're doing. We're just cleaning up the site, stacking logs. I may throw the drone up in the air and get a hyperlapse of just kind of the general cleanup here. So we'll catch you guys here in a little bit. Alright, everybody, it is the end of day 3 out here. Devin, what did you do today?
I rode the skid steer and parked it, and I rode the excavator.
And what did we do with the excavator?
We moved stumps and we moved trees.
Yeah, we moved a lot of stumps, we moved a lot of trees, we made a lot of progress today, despite the fact that Cody was only here for an hour, hour and a half, and the rest of it was Rick and I and Devin. Yeah, we made a lot of progress, didn't we?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so that being said, it is New Year's Day. Tomorrow is Sunday. We're not working tomorrow, so we'll probably catch you guys on Monday. So you guys have a good weekend. Tell everyone have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend.
Have a good weekend, guys. See you on the next one.